A very warm good morning to all. I am Saisri and today my laptop topic is about animatronics. So let's start our topic. So the main points I have to cover in this session are introduction, what is animatronics, history, working, formation, application, advantage and disadvantage. So let us come to our first point, introduction. The first use of audio animatronics was for Walt Disney Tiki Room in Disneyland. Animatronics is the use of mechatronics to create machines which seem animate rather than robotics. It includes the creation of plants, animals, and even mythical creations also. So, what is animatronics? Animatronics is the combination of animation plus electronics. The use of machines controlled by the computer to make puppets and models move in a natural way in films and any other entertainment purpose. So, let's come to our history. Audio animatronics was created by Walt Disney employee Lee Adams and Heinrich Anders in the year 1961. So have a look in this video to understand the working. So let us come to our next point, formation. Formations include 6 types of process. They are design process, sculpting, mold making, armature fabrication, costuming, programming. So let us come to our first point, design process. During the design process, the silent and the company will decide what the character will be and its appearance, and the total number of moves and the quality of moves. Next, sculpting. It is responsible for the two-dimensional ideas into three-dimensional forms. Next is our mold making. This department creates the mold that will ultimately produce the character skins. Mold can be hard or soft, single or multiple, and reusable or non-reusable. So next is our armature fabrication. Various body armatures are being created and are assembled in the welding fabrication areas. Costuming. The costuming, if there is usually one tailor to the character and its movements. Programming. So programming is the final step of animatronics. For some animations, it is most rewarding. Programming can be done either at the manufacturing facility or at the final installation site. Applications. So applications are, it is used in the field of entertainment. It is used in the Disneyland to entertain the visitors. It is used in the movies to create the special effects. So let us come to our next point, advantage. It gives the real life experience. It is used to train the soldiers for danger operations. It can be used to entertain the kids. So let's come to our disadvantage. A lot of skilled persons are required. It is very costly. It is very complex process. It takes a lot of time. Thank you.